Today we are looking at a brand new, fresh out of the box GoPower Advanced 100 amp hour lithium battery. We're just going to go through the steps of how to turn this on and configure it using the GoPower Connect app. Turn your battery on. So we're going to hold the power button for about 5 seconds. You're going to see it light up green to indicate that it is on. There it goes. Now on my app, I'm going to hit the plus button to show available devices. I'm going to click on this battery at the top here. It's going to give me this message that says press the battery's power button for a short moment to allow authentication. So I'm going to press the button quickly to allow it to pair. I'm going to name it. We're going to call this test 1. I have one battery, so I'm going to hit I only have one battery on this screen. Now, if I had multiple batteries, I would say, one of these options. I have a combination of either series or parallel configuration, or they're all in one or the other. If you click one of these, or if you click the yes, I have batteries in series or all in parallel, it will automatically configure them, detect and then configure all the batteries. If you have a combination, it's a bit more manual. For this case, we're just going to do I only have one battery. Sends commands. And we hit continue. And it's going to go back to this device selection screen. I will click on test 1. You're going to see the light flash to indicate that it's connecting again. And then you're good. Authenticated, battery connected, and as we can see, this battery is one of our test dummies, so it is extremely depleted. And that's how you connect to a GoPower Advanced Lithium battery.